That was kind of intolerable, but you can see our Flowtech pump is pumping just fine without the extreme noise that the Red Lion has.